In this video, we'll show you how to set up a waiver. If your venue requires a waiver to be signed by your guests, our waiver functionality can be used to capture the waiver information electronically. In Venue Manager, navigate to Settings, Waiver, Waiver Details. Click the Unlock to Make Changes button. Give your waiver a name. This is the title of the waiver that the guest is going to see. Select if you require guests to sign the waiver electronically. Not checking this box means the guest only needs to click a button to complete the waiver. Choose how long the waiver is valid for. Select the minimum age that someone can sign their own waiver. If a guest is below the minimum age, they will need to have a parent or legal guardian sign the waiver on their behalf. You can customize your waiver to ask for the waiver holder's address or add a form with additional questions such as medical alert information, emergency contact information, specific terms and conditions for your guests to accept. Next, add the content. You can type in the waiver text or copy and paste the content of the waiver from a text file. You can also add checkboxes throughout the waiver text. Simply add this text at the start of each clause, and at the end of each clause add this text. Guests will be required to tick the checkbox in order to complete the waiver. Click Save and Publish New Waiver to publish the changes you've made. Once you've published the waiver, click the Get Waivers link to get the online waiver URL that you can add to your website. From here, you can also access the waiver kiosk address to set up the waiver kiosk in your venue. Signed waivers can be viewed in POS or from within the Venue Manager. There are two ways to view a signed waiver in POS. You can click on the Waiver tab in the search menu and search by name, email, or date of birth. The second way is during the purchase flow, when you add a ticket which requires a waiver to be attached. If waivers were recently signed online at the waivers kiosk or self-serve kiosk, they'll float to the top for quick assignment. To view a signed waiver in Venue Manager, head to Guests, Waiver Holders. From here, you can search for any waiver. Clicking the three dots next to the waiver gives you options to view the signed waiver, email the waiver, send a new waiver request to the guest, and also deactivate the waiver.